Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. So for today's video, I am going to do a little DIY for dry and tanned skin. You can see my skin is so damn tanned. But for this, first I'm gonna use a tomato. I'm not going to make a paste of it. I'm just gonna grate it, and when you grate it, you are left with this sort of tomato skin which we're gonna use as well. Now we are going to take some sugar and start scrubbing it on our face. Make sure that sugar is finely grinded. It should not be big chunky pieces, since that can abrade your skin or tear your skin apart, and in worst case it can give you a breakout. So do this exfoliation in a circular upward and outward direction, and when you scrub, don't give too much pressure because that can abrade your skin as well. Now how tomato will help in exfoliation. So it has these cleansing and antioxidant ingredients which help to clarify your skin by removing all the dead skin layer. Now when you're exfoliating, make sure you scrub your neck or exfoliate your neck as well, because when you scrub, it's the most neglected area. You just do the face, you don't go up to the neck. So make sure you scrub the neck as well. And when you exfoliate, this sugar tends to melt and spills a lot. So don't worry, you can add a lot of sugar because sugar adds up to the glow of your face. So you can be generous with the use of sugar on your face. And also you have to exfoliate for like 7 to 8 minutes. And once you're done with exfoliation, wash your face with some cold water, and ta-da! Skin is so clean. Now we're going to use that tomato paste, but in the paste we're going to mix some honey, and then I'm going to mix it well. You can see it, I'm swirling it pretty well, and then I'm gonna add cold milk. You can just add 1 spoon of the cold milk. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together again. Well, if you have oily skin, then you can completely skip adding the honey as well as cold milk. You can simply put the mix as such on your face, because adding milk and honey actually moisturizes the dry skin. So this is actually a trick for dry skin. And now that I'm applying it, let's just talk about oily skin people also. Oily skin people gets benefit from this pack, because this tomatoes actually help in the reduction of sebum on the face, and that will help to close or shrink the enlarged pores. Also, that sebum on the face give rise to a lot of blackhead, whitehead. So if you use a tomato pack like this, you will fight with those blackheads and whiteheads as well. Now, tomato contain a high amount of vitamin C and potassium in them, so they help to restore the glow of your dull, dry, tanned skin. So that's why they are helpful in providing glow to your skin. They are also helpful in naturally lightening and brightening your skin, because it contains lycopene, which makes a barrier on your skin. Actually, the sun rays do not penetrate on your skin, and since it has a lot of potassium in it, so potassium is the main cause of dryness of skin. When your skin lacks potassium, then only your skin feels dry and all. But tomatoes provide a lot of bundle of potassium to the skin, so that helps in the restoration of moisture, and it will prevent the dry flaky skin. Also, they have a lot of vitamin B, so it can fight with the signs of aging as well. Now keep this pack for 20 minutes, and when it's dry, just take it off, and ta-da, you are there with a beautiful skin. Make sure to apply it twice a week, and I'll meet you in my next video.